Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. I did get a new vlogging camera on Black Friday. This is not sponsored, so I paid for this camera with my own money. I have been seeing this camera everywhere, but I did do research and compared it to other similar cameras. And ultimately, I decided to go with the Go Ultra. It is magnetic, so there are so many mounting possibilities. It comes with this magnetic pendant that you can wear around your neck for POV shots. It also comes with a quick safety release cord. It comes with a magnetic easy clip that you can clip on your cap or your clothes. You can be really creative. I did go with the black color to be more discreet. This camera is also waterproof, so I want to take it snorkeling, swimming, skiing, traveling, and just not really having to worry much about it. It's pretty durable, especially if it's meant for like outdoors and action activities. I don't want to baby it, and I also don't want to worry about it getting dirty, which is why the black color made the most sense. I really took advantage of the Black Friday deals, which included a 30% off discount, a hard shell case, and a free 256GB micro SD card. I did get the creator bundle, which comes with a quick release mount, a mini 2-in-1 tripod, and a pivot stand, which I will unbox later throughout this vlog. So far, this camera has made vlogging super fun. I just stick it onto any magnetic surface, and it's also wide angle, so even if I hold it close to my face, it gets a pretty good view of myself and of my surroundings, which is great for shy introverted vloggers such as myself. Even though I've been creating content for a while now, I'm still shy about vlogging in public. Thing 1, 2, 3, this is the audio coming straight out of the camera on voice enhancement. This is in the bedroom, artificial lighting. You wanna say hi? There's just like a lamp right in front of me, and it's pretty dim in this room. What are you looking at? This is also the darkest area of our walk. Hello everyone and happy Thanksgiving. It'll be our first Thanksgiving with Peanut. Alright, ready? I just made a matcha latte. It's really interesting. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got a new vlogging camera. So it's a lot wider angle. It's insta360 Go Ultra. I thought I would take it out today because it's a pretty fun camera to film on. There's like so many mounting possibilities since it is magnetic. This isn't really a review, but more of like me testing out the camera. I want to film more like wider landscape shots like this of like scenery, and I also want to do POV shots since it does come with like a magnetic pendant where you can wear it here and it looks like you're in like a similar hidden. But yeah, we have lunch with my family later today. I need to take them out for a walk, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. So let's go. Let's go, Peanut. So I filmed a quick unboxing on my other camera with the Sony ZV-1, but I did not unbox all of the accessories. I wanted to try the pivot stand right now. This basically allows you to stick the camera on any smooth or flat surface. There's not a lot of metal in the bathroom, so I kind of want to mount you guys on this wall so that there's like a top view of my makeup and stuff. Here is the mount, and this is the base and the sticky pad. So you twist this on. I'm gonna try to stick you guys on, and hopefully it sticks because this wall has a bit of texture on it. Moment of truth. not straight, but it's okay. This is so cool. Here's the action pod so I can see everything. See if I can frame it, and it's right there. That's so cool. Oh gosh, you can see my cowlick and stuff. Alrighty, and now I'm just gonna start getting ready.
Quick fit check.
Unique little pants.
Don't do that.
Minted NYC crew neck. H&M white button down.
Prada.
Prada, if you know.
Wow.
That's the fit, guys.
Hey guys, so we came back home to spend some time with Peanut and we just found dinner. And now we're just gonna do a few little touch-ups. Hey buddy. I'm just gonna touch up my makeup a little bit and get ready for dinner. We're gonna have dinner at Alvin's parents' house and we're bringing Peanut with us. Peanut always has a great time there. He can run in the yard and stuff even though it's getting a little dark, and his grandmother-in-law is also gonna be there. But yeah, I'll see you guys for dinner. Hi everyone, it's the day after Thanksgiving, so Black Friday. There's a lot of cars going by, so interested to see how it picks up my voice. I had a lot of fun at his grandparents' house. He was going crazy, like literally zoomies around the living room. His great grandma was there and he's never met her before, so he was super excited. He loves strangers. Anyone he's unfamiliar with, he wants their attention. I keep forgetting to use the pivot stand, so I'm gonna test it out and stick it right in front of the mirror. Look at this. And this is the sticky part. So this is how it looks with the camera connected to the pivot stand, which is stuck on the mirror. And I have the action pod right here to check the framing. And I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just getting ready because we're gonna stop by the Micro Center so I can look at a keyboard, just like feel it, test it out to see if I really wanna get it. And then after that, we're gonna grab boba with some friends. So I'll see you then.
Okay.
You know it.
That way, yeah.
currently going to a buffet to celebrate my friend's baby shower. The same buffet we went to with my family, so I'm kind of sick of it, but at least we know like what food we like, so we don't like waste food. I got a screen protector for the ActionPod screen. Comes with 3 that I'm gonna apply later because I don't want to mess up.